You know what? Fuck you and your rainforest. You know why I could give a shit less about your rainforest? Because the animals inside of it. Fuck them. You know why? I'll eat them. So fuck the animals. Yeah. You know what? Animals, they're all in here, baby. I got them right here. Yeah. Yeah. You know why I can do this? Because all the fucking protein in the animals that I eat, they allow me to lift weights. So I can jiggle my titties without even touching them. It's better when I touch them though. It's like, I can even, I used to be able to get close to licking them. I don't know if I can do it again. I'll try.